Hello guys, so today we're going to talk about how you can join the Adidas official affiliate program. So we are here on the official Adidas website. So what you need to do is simply scroll down to the end of the website. This part under the yellow ribbon that says become a member. And as you can see here, we have different categories. We are interested in the category that says company info. And if we see here at the second to last thing on the company info category is affiliate program. And if we open the affiliate program tab, it will take us to here, which is basically the explanation of what their affiliate program is, what they expect from you, what you get, and if you are interested, you just have to click on the Apply Now tab. And once you enter this part, you will see a simple prompt where you need to enter your details. As you can see, it will ask you for your contact and your address, and then you will have to accept the terms. And yeah, this is how you enter this affiliate program. So yeah, I thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.